Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, Beverage Director for Taste Catering. We're doing 1-minute cocktails. Building on the simple syrup we made last week, we'll be making a whiskey sour. Today, you'll need lemon or lime juice, your preference. I recommend store-bought brand like Voila Juices or Santa Cruz Organics. You'll need 3/4 of simple syrup, 3/4 lime or lemon juice, and 2 ounces of bourbon. Add plenty of ice, and then shake for 12 to 15 seconds. This drink doesn't need a garnish, but if you want a garnish, you can add a wheel of lemon or lime. Just put it on the edge like that. Really citrusy, really friendly for those who don't like spirits as the first flavor in their drink. If you'd like to make a ginger whiskey sour, I'll be doing more advanced recipes on Booze Freaks on YouTube and Instagram. Thanks for watching.